Let us take one more numerical to understand the relationship between Kp and Kc. The two equilibrium constant when expressed in terms of their concentrations or in terms of the partial pressures. The numerical is find the value of Kc for the reaction if its Kp at 300 Kelvin is 0.02. So the Kp is given as 0.02. The reaction is when NO2 gas is reacted with carbon monoxide, it forms nitric oxide and carbon dioxide. All the reactions and the products involved are gaseous in nature. We know that the relationship is Kp is equal to Kc RT to the power delta Ng, where this delta Ng is the summation of the number of moles of the gaseous substances of products minus summation of number of moles of the gaseous substances of reactants. Now, how much of the gaseous substances are present on the product side? It's 2. One of this, one of this. Since the equation is already balanced. And in these kind of numericals, you have to first balance the equation and you must ensure this that your reaction is completely balanced. So there are 2 moles of the products involved of the gaseous substances and only 2 moles of one of this and one of this of the reactants involved. So it's 2 minus 2, which is 0. Therefore, your Kp will be Kc RT to the power 0, which will be again, it is Kc, so it will be equal to Kc. So therefore, your Kc will also be 0.02. Fine. If suppose by any case you are given this delta Ng comes out to be some value like 1 or 2 like this, then definitely RT to the power 1 or 2 is you have to put, and then you have to solve it to find out what is the exact value of the Kp or the Kc, whatever is to be required to be calculated as per the numerical. But remember, the R in this case, if required to be taken, should be taken exactly in terms of the units in which the Kp and Kc has been expressed. If it is an ATM, you will use the value of the R as 0.0821 liter atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. If it is in bar, you will use it 0.083 liter bar per Kelvin per mole. So accordingly, we have to put the values and we have to find out Kp or Kc, whatever is asked in the numerical.